Hey, anybody got lotion? You know what? I got a psycho mom. She gave me some lotion.
Life is a winding road.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are officially 1 week away from first day of school. The boys are starting on Wednesday next week and they're going to 6th grade. I have twin boys. They're 10, they're turning 11 at the end of this month. And I also have a teenager, which he's 14, turning 15 this year. He's going to 10th grade. All three of them are in need of emergency kits. So I did this last year. I didn't call it an emergency kit and I didn't like make a whole fuss about it. I just was like, okay, there's certain things that they need in their book bag that they don't think about, but moms do. So I put all these things in their bag and it ended up being a big hit. All three of them used it all. Ended up having to refill it because they use it so much. I know a lot of these videos are made for girls. If you look on YouTube, there's rarely emergency kits for boys. You'll find a few, but mainly they focus on girls. I don't have girls, I have boys, so I have thought of a couple of things that I feel are emergency kit worthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Dollar Tree. We're gonna pick up a couple things and then I'll show you guys what we get. And don't forget to subscribe, but let's go to the Dollar Tree.
I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel, and always on my mind. I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart of the moon.
Guys, it is like 1,000 degrees outside. I'm sweating profusely. I just sanitized my hands because that store was disgusting. It was so dirty. I'll show you guys what I got later when I show the boys. That way I don't have to do it twice. I'm missing like a little pouch. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I have one. I have some at home, but I want them to match. Is that stupid? But I don't want to stop at another store. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. But I could order it on my grocery haul. I don't know. We'll think. So basically, you know how last year I gave you guys lotion and like things to put in your bag that you actually use, hand sanitizer, things like that? Well, I'm doing that this year, but we're gonna call it an emergency kit because that's what they do for teenagers and stuff that need more stuff because they're a little bit older and they can take care of stuff, right? They normally put it in a cool little pouch, but I couldn't find any that was actually nice. Like they only had girl ones. So I'm gonna buy that later on. So for now, we're gonna put them in baggies until I can find you a cool one. Like a, you know, like a nice one. So this one's for Cameron. I'll make his bag. Okay, so first, we're gonna start with deodorant.
Who puts deodorant in their book bag?
It's people who go to PE smell bad because they're preteens and they're teenagers and their smells are a little bit stronger. So I bought you guys a little deodorant. This is an emergency deodorant, right? We're supposed to wear deodorant for school every day. And your deodorant should last you all day. But if you like and walk into school and you're like, whoo! Okay, so do you want the blue one or the purple one? I only have one purple.
Blue.
It's a scent, not a color. You put it in your own bag. Here. Okay, so this one's for Cameron. And then I'm only gonna give you guys one of these so we can save the other one for when you run out. Mints are good for what, Chad?
Eating.
Of course eating, but for what? What does it do to you?
Paying attention.
Yes, it helps you pay attention in school. If you're falling asleep, or even if your throat is starting to be a little itchy, you know, when you eat one of these, it's good, right?
I need water if I'm gonna eat those.
Yeah.
Which color would you like?
Blue.
Green.
Blue? Green, okay. And for you?
Actually, I want blue because it looks cool.
Yeah, wait.
I'll give Cameron a blue one too, and then we'll just trade off the green. All right, this is to refill later. Found these really cool Hydromates. They're electrolyte drink mixes. They sell these at Walmart, and I've been wanting to try it to see if it actually works. So I seen them there, and I figured we'd try them. These are like, if you're like starting to feel faint because you went to PE, and it's super hot outside, and you start to feel like, I'm gonna pass out if I don't get some type of energy. That's this. You put this in a bottle, your bottle of water, you drink it, and it's like drinking a Gatorade, but it's healthier because there's not all that extra sugar stuff. Or if you're at practice, or like let's say when you make the soccer team at school, you're playing and the sun is beaming on you and you feel like, I'm gonna pass out, you drink this and it helps you get back it helps water get to your cells faster. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So one for everyone. I got myself one too.
Gum?
Gum. What's gum for?
Oh, focusing.
Yes, focusing. And what else? When someone's talking mighty close to your head and you're like,
You give them a gun.
For stank breath. Come on, people. Stank breath. That's to help you with stank breath.
Hey,
okay.
give me try it.
Can I get one right now? Mom, can I get
My breath stink?
No, I'm just saying.
this one? Can I get one?
Not right now. That's for your emergency kit, child of the Lord.
Good.
Okay. What are these for?
Cleaning tape.
Cleaning.
Yes, you're gonna have 7 periods. If you get to a class and that desk looks a little funky, you can pull one of these out, wipe it down, throw it away, right? Merry Christmas. Wow, look at how nice Kay loves it. Let's show YouTube. No, don't try to fix it, Chatty. Chatty's looks like a mini hurricane. And then my son over here, let me show my baby. He got it all nice and organized. See, that's my son right here. Okay, look, Chatty's fixing it. Okay. I'm gonna do Cameron's here. And then, what are these for?
Snot.
Yes. Some people, not gonna point anyone out, has really bad I didn't point.
You did that.
Has really bad allergies in the mornings especially. So
Don't chatter me. When I was chatting. I have allergies right now, but
yeah, so we'll put, you want an extra one?
No.
Because you'll be going through these things, but yeah. It's okay, me too, I'm always sneezing. We're almost done, bear with me. All right, what are these?
Shoe eraser? What's that?
These are shoe erasers. What do you think you need them for your emergency kit?
to clean your shoes.
Clean your shoes. That's the
You
only.
guys have expensive shoes, yes? So if you see that it's raining outside and there's a little bit of mud on your stuff, we need to wipe it off, and you could try and use this to erase it off. Okay?
Why I feel so light?
Okay, my bad.
It's just an eraser. Okay. The most important
For
thing
Kayla, for Kayla.
for my babies.
Not me, Mom. I don't need that.
This is 911 for my children.
That's for
They
Kayla, Mom.
stay ashy.
That's Kayla.
Caleb does not believe in lotion.
I do believe in lotion.
I'm just kidding. Lotion, so that if you forget or you go to PE and you get a little ashy, or you can hook up your friends. Like, hey, anybody got lotion? You know what? I got a psycho mom. She gave me some lotion.
I did a second degree.
Yeah.
But I forgot.
Okay, and
that?
next up, this is
A floss?
a floss holder. Yes. Okay, those are so, if you have something stuck in your teeth, you can hook yourself up. We have mouthwash. Caleb, tell them what you need mouthwash for.
For your stinky breath.
Yes, if you get a stinky breath.
Yeah, especially Kayla. What are you talking about? Your breath is stinking every day.
No, it's guys. It's
No,
not.
never in the
Let's
morning.
say you had a nice little stop. Let's say you had some Funyuns for lunch. Your breath is Funyun-y. So you put a little. You floss your teeth. You put a little mouthwash, or you could brush your teeth.
Oh my no!
So
I am not brushing my teeth.
it's a mini toothbrush and a small little toothpaste.
I am not brushing my teeth.
So if you needed it, you have it.
I won't.
Guys, this is not to use on a daily basis. This is if an emergency comes up, like sometimes, I'm not gonna say who, forgets to brush their teeth. If you realize, dang, I done went to school and didn't brush my teeth.
Mama.
You guys have some toothbrushes and you got enough, you got all the...
Mama, why do I get green?
I didn't even look at it. You have the essential necessities to brush your teeth. Okay, and then finally, we have hand sanitizer. So,
I want green.
obviously this is to clean your little crusty hands. Then we have some sanitation wipes. I'm gonna give you guys a few each. This is just, you know, just to wipe down stuff.
You couldn't even look at that, Daddy.
Okay, so here is their little bags. I'm going to get them a little something, like another bag, but for now, we have it nice and separated. This is Chatty's, so we are good. Final thoughts.
It's good.
You think it's too much?
It's good. I mean, the toothbrush is way too much.
Okay.
That's weird. Who's gonna brush their teeth in school? So you're gonna ask the teacher, can I use the bathroom? And then you go to the sink and literally just put all that toothpaste all over.
You forget to brush your teeth before the school starts.
Kayla.
I have to use it. All right. Say bye.
Bye.
Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.